In the heart of a vibrant Jamaican village, nestled between lush green hills and the gentle sound of the nearby river, stood a humble church known as the Graceful Haven. It was here that Overseer, a tall and well-built man, led his congregation. With a calming presence and a voice as soft as the evening breeze, he had a unique ability to draw people into his world of peace and unity. Every Sunday, as the sun rose above the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink, a gentle excitement would ripple through the village. The townsfolk, young and old, looked forward to the moment when Overseer would take his place at the pulpit. Clad in a simple yet elegant suit, he would gaze at the smiling faces of his congregation, his kind eyes sparkling with warmth. "Hello, beloved ladies and gentlemen," he would begin, his tenor voice wrapping around each word like a comforting hug. "Peace be unto you." And in harmonious unison, the congregation would reply, "Peace." The sound echoed through the wooden walls of the church, creating an atmosphere infused with love and respect. Overseer's mere presence seemed to envelop everyone in a sense of belonging. His sermons were tales woven with compassion and wisdom. He spoke of kindness, personal growth, and the strength found within community, but more importantly, he listened. After each message, he would invite people to share their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs. The community felt safe with him, knowing that their overseer would provide guidance without judgment. One particular Sunday, a young mother named Amara stood up to share her burdens. With fear in her eyes, she laid bare her struggles as a single parent. Her voice trembled as she spoke, but the love in the room swelled. Overseer approached her with a gentle smile, nodding reassuringly. "Your strength is admirable, Amara. Remember, it takes a village to raise a child. You are never alone." His words wrapped around the congregation, inspiring others to reach out, offering their help and support. That evening, a potluck was organized at the church, and the joy of togetherness filled the air. Laughter and music intertwined as the village came alive, each person contributing their own dish and sharing in a bond that grew deeper with every shared moment. Overseer was more than a pastor, he was a beacon of hope. With each "peace be unto you," he promoted a message that transcended mere words. He fostered a community grounded in love, respect, and unity. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the church, the villagers left with their hearts lighter. They knew that as long as Overseer was there, they could weather any storm together, embraced by the love of their community and the calming spirit of their beloved leader. And thus, the legacy of peace continued, echoing in the hearts and lives of all he touched.